that change is coming.
I love you, Poppy.
If you looking down the barrel, you a ghost. Back against the wall, they don't want me on the ropes though. I'm the one to always do the most. Shred these motherfuckers like I'm cooking up the coleslaw. Tell me, do you really want the smoke?
You don't want it.
We could get it jumping like a motherfucking povo. Birds in the air look like they float. I'm a nature boy, but I don't ever do the crow call. Puffin' on that good shit, now I'm sorta fried. Drop a couple tracks, all these rappers looking mortified. If you wanna try me, then you're sure to die. My baby think I'm crazy, I don't know, I guess it's borderline. I'm the plug, give the chord a try. King of the burg, you can't change my storyline. From here to San Francisco, that's a 49. All these rappers trying to bite my style, this shit is like a porcupine. Wide awake, so you won't ever kill my dreams. I know everything ain't always what it seems. They wanna see me fall like some golden leaves. If you looking down the barrel, you a ghost. Back against the wall, they don't want me on the ropes though. I'm the one to always do the most. Shred these motherfuckers like I'm cooking up the coleslaw. Tell me, do you really want the smoke?
You don't want it.
We could get it jumping like a motherfucking povo. Birds in the air look like they float. I'm a nature boy, but I don't ever do the crow call. I go bananas like Chiquita. If you talking on me, we gon' probably meet up. In the street, I earn my stripes just like Adidas. Tryna keep the picture crystal clear, I spit that Aquafina. My Glock is mean, a ribbon looking like a lethal weapon. I'm so futuristic, I could be the Jetsons. I'm climbing up this motherfucking mountain, I ain't never coming down until I have to take these skiing lessons. I'm not the one that you should be fucking with. Watching through the glass, you like a sucker fish. Don't make me get back up on my gutter shit.
I love you, Poppy.
If you looking down the barrel, you a ghost. Back against the wall, they don't want me on the ropes, dog. I'm the one to always do the most. Shred these motherfuckers like I'm cooking up the coast.